What's up there, Pyros? Be doing my first stash update. Actually, first stash update ever. I'm just got on here to YouTube. Wanted to show y'all what I got. So, we're going to start off with some of my rockets. Had to get them bolt. Some of these little guys are awesome. Some of them left. Rockets are fun. I don't know. I'm a big rocket guy. Had to get some of them. Actually got a couple of totes over here full of rockets that I got stashed. Some skies. Got a couple Whomping Willows in there thanks to a good buddy of mine. Salute Rockets, Color Rockets. Got these guys are left over from last year. Those are also left over from last year. Got a couple of them left. Picking up another case of them. Awesome. Jose. That's a pretty sweet cake too. Addicted to Willows. Got a couple minions left. That was actually a real nice cake. A lot of blue in that. Kazoo's a good one. We got Tribute. Actually, that's just a single. I got a whole case of those guys. Excommunicado's awesome. Some of these guys too. Killer Cake, sweet. Got two Girandolas, Take Me to Your Leader. Haven't shot one of those before. Excited to see them. Puff Puff Boom. That man Trump. We got two of those Mamaderas, those 14 shot salute cakes are nice. Got two of these. Those are what's up? Got a case of them guys. Never shot those. I've let one of them go before. Those are nice. Case of them. Gotta love the gold. Got those guys back there too. Case of those guys. That clown. Shot one of them off last year for the 4th. Though this past year they were awesome. I grabbed another case of those. It's pretty sweet. Case come together. Definitely. I haven't shot that. I haven't shot the old version either, but I heard that's a nice cake right there. What else? These are all my shells. I kind of grab those. You know what's up. Donnie T. Some of them gray ones. Some of them loud ones. Love those. Those are awesome. I got down here. Some razors. Freddy. Bungas. Skies. Sanity. Them guys. Gotta have those. Those are awesome. Two of these. More of them. Love them. Those. It's my shell collection. I'm a shell and rocket guy. What can I say? I don't know. I guess maybe just being able to light the single one every once in a while. Anarchy. Some haze in there. What do I got in there? Excommunicado. After Party. Haven't shot that guy yet. Couple of those. Night Watchers. Excited for Night Watcher. That's nice too. The Pissa. the hell with Phantom, but you know, that's a good cake. Great name too. Case of Deadpool. Fury Road up there. Gold Pirate. Bring the bling. Let's see what else we're getting. A case of them. 2 cases of them. Gotta have those. And the big boy collection so far. You know what it is right there. Yep. Gotta have the Witch. Sent that on the 4th. That just never disappoints. Got Slayer. And then we got the Bite Me. So, yeah, that's what I'm working with right now. This addiction literally started like a year ago from now. And I don't know, I can't get enough of this stuff. So, yeah. That's my collection up here in CLE. Got the 216 Pyro. You know what it is. I'm looking to pick something up, some more stuff around mid-January, by January 15th. So stay tuned. Like I said, this is my first ever update here. Stash update for, this is late 2022 going into 2023. And yeah, I'll keep you all posted once I pick up some more stuff.